everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is actually going to be a bit of a kind of clean with me in like real time, I guess. I don't know, I'm just not doing like a speed clean. I just thought I would write a little list of a few things that I need to do this morning and go through the list with you. So if you want to see me clean and what I get up to this morning, then just keep watching. I have just got back from, well, I haven't actually just got back from the school run. Usually I get a lot of these jobs done before the school run, but you know what it's like, it's just getting back into the routine of it all. What time is it? It's actually 11 o'clock, but I did come home, washed my hair, sorted myself out and played with Renzo a little bit. So we've just been kind of having a bit of a chilled morning. I thought once I've done all of that, I can get cleaning. So I'm not putting Renzo down for a nap this morning. I might let him go for a nap this afternoon, but because he's in his big boy bed now, it's a lot more, not difficult, but he's a bit more like he doesn't want to go to sleep. So yeah, we're just going to play it by ear and see how the day goes. So yeah, it's just looking a little bit messy this morning. I've got my little list of jobs that I want to get done. First thing I'm going to do is put a wash on. I actually gave my washing machine a little spruce yesterday. This is all open because I like to air it just so it doesn't smell. And I also put a capful of Zoflora in there and put it on a 90-degree wash just to freshen it up a little bit, because sometimes it can smell. And I got that little tip from my friend Ash. I've got some washing in there, so I'm going to get that out and do that. So yeah, this is a bit of a random one, but I thought it'd be quite nice to do. I think a lot of you guys actually enjoy the more talk through kind of cleaning videos, and I always do kind of voiceovers on my videos anyway. It's such a gloomy day outside. It's so dark in the house today, and I'm like, oh, it feels so wintry. I'm just putting all of my like light kind of colours in there at the minute. I haven't really got a lot of dark clothes in here today, so I'm going to put that back in my cupboard because I don't need to put a load of washing on just for a couple of things. I've got Renzi here as well. What, do you want, a banana?
Yes.
You do want a banana now? Okay, hang on a minute, let me get you one. Renzo has requested a banana this morning for his little snack. Renz, come here then. You want it just like this? Say hello.
Hello.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
What have you got?
Nana.
You got a banana. Look at you. Go on then, off you go. Love you.
Hello.
He's so funny. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna put this load of washing on. Oh my god, I need to sort out my like cupboards of like washing stuff. Like, I'm just using like the bold, what is it called, 2-in-1. They've actually got softener in them apparently, but sometimes I like to add a little bit more softener just to make it smell nice. This is the Comfort Intense one. Love this one. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's the Fresh Sky scent. Oh, it smells so nice. But you only need a tiny amount because it's like super strong. So now I need to clear the surfaces, because once that's done, I feel much better about this kitchen. And the kitchen doesn't get too cluttered, but this is the area that always gets cluttered. I have got Vinny's old PE kit out this morning, so I just need to sort that out. Need to fill that bottle up, well, both of them, and put them in the fridge and just give it a bit of a clean. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll do my sink area as well. I might start with the sink actually and get rid of all of this washing up that I did this morning. So this is what I did first thing this morning. I might speed this up because otherwise it's going to be a bit boring if you listen to me putting the washing up away, and the washing machine's on now. So I'm just going to put the washing up away. Right, so now I need to clear this area. I did Vinny's hair this morning, I forgot to put it away. That goes in here. All those little bits up there. This is just rubbish. There's just so much rubbish. Let me sort through it. One of the batteries is charging for my Shark Hoover, but it's actually charged now, so I can put that away in the cupboard. Okay, so that area is all clear now. It looks so much better. Okay, this, oh, I could have put that in the wash, couldn't I? Silly me. Let's put that in the wash basket. So I've just filled my water bottle up, and I'm just going to put it in here in my little, this is a wine cooler, but I just put all of my waters in here. That's that. Okay, so now that my surfaces are all clear, I'm going to give them a little wipe down with some Zoflora. So I make my own kind of spray with Zoflora. It's got a couple of capfuls of the Linen Fresh, which I'll show you in here. This one. diluted with water. So this bottle is actually from IKEA, and I've just really enjoyed using this. It leaves such a gorgeous smell in the kitchen. It's nothing too fussy, and yeah, it's just been working really well. And I like to use this with one of these sponges. I think this is by Minky, the brand Minky, and I've really enjoyed using this recently. So I'm using that. Just gonna rinse this in some hot water first. Also, when I want to clean this sponge, what I'll do is I'll do my Zaflora sink. So I put a cap full of Zaflora, fill this up with hot water, and then I'll put my sponge in there, leave it until it cools down or until the morning, it doesn't really matter, and then let it dry. So I'll take it out, rinse it and dry it, and it smells amazing. It literally smells like Zaflora, and it doesn't, like, you know, collect any kind of damp smell or anything like that. Really, really good. So love this sponge. It just smells so nice. Oh my god, it smells beautiful. Super gorgeous. I will just rinse this again now because I don't want to have any crumbs on here and take them onto the other surfaces. So I'll just give that a quick rinse. While we're over here, I'll do the sink area as well. So I'll just spray it down with the Zaflora and just wipe everywhere. So when I do my hob, I do go over this and just dry it with the tea towel, just an old tea towel, just because otherwise there'll be watermarks on here and I don't want any watermarks for later. Other than that though, when I use this on the surfaces, no watermarks really appear, even though it looks like they will. It just dries down completely fine, so yeah, it's fine. Okay, so all of the surfaces are now clean and clear. I'm just going to put my little wax melt on. This is from, this little owl is from Wilkinson, and then I've got like, I'll show you the wax melt in a minute, what's in there. I have a little tea light. It's just vanilla scent, but I just like the smell of it in here, so I'm just going to pop that there. This as well is from Anthropology, in case you're wondering, because it's a really pretty coaster. I bought it when we were in America last year. But I'll show you the wax melts that we use. It's actually new. Wax melts are completely new to me, but I'm obsessed with them already. These are what we're currently using. It's the Glade Sheer Vanilla Blossom, and oh my god, they smell amazing. I actually cut them in half because I don't need a whole one, and they're so good. I've got a few other wax melts coming, so I'll show you the other ones as and when I get them, but yeah, love them. I like to turn them around this way so we can see them. Okay, so I've put the washing on, clear and wiped worktops. They always take forever, but I've done that now. What else do we need to do? Sink and dishes, done that. Now we need to clean the toilet. So I'm gonna do my toilet upstairs. The downstairs one is absolutely fine. I did that yesterday, well, last night. So I'm gonna pop upstairs and do the main toilet. So let's go and do that now. Okay, so we're in the bathroom upstairs, and here are my cleaning products. I actually keep them in this cupboard here, down the bottom. So I'm gonna use some wipes today. I'm gonna use this. And I'm also going to use this, so let me show you. Okay, so first of all I'm going to wipe the toilet down with some blue. These are blue toilet and bathroom wipes. They smell really lovely. It's the Sweet Tulip scent. And then I like to pop some of this in, the Harpic bleach. So this is a bleach, White and Shine Original, and it's got baking soda in it. It really makes it white, so I love that. And then I use this last, so I'll use that in a minute. So let's get cleaning. It's really hard to like position you in here in this bathroom because there's like nowhere to put the camera. So I always start just by doing like the lid first and the back of the toilet here. I do this every day, so it's super clean anyway. These wipes go quite a long way, but yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then I always change the wipe when it comes to the toilet seat. Okay, so the next thing I like to do is use the bleach, so I just pop that all around the top there. And then I use this. This is the blue foam aroma, and I just sprinkle a capful of this into the water area there. This stuff smells amazing. I'm literally just going to sprinkle that in and leave it. And that is basically what I'll do in the mornings, just for a quick toilet clean. I'll do that to all of the toilets. I already did the other one last night, just before I went to bed. So I'm going to do the ensuite one now, but I won't bother showing you because It's basically the same steps. So yeah, that is toilet clean today. Right, toilet's done. Let's move into the living room because this is where the main jobs will be happening now. Okay, so this is how the living room's looking. We've got a little Renzo there, haven't we? You gonna wave, say hello? Wave then. Renzo's just on the iPad whilst I get my cleaning done. Just need to spruce the pillows up on the sofa, get rid of this little display created by Renzo. Every day he does this, so I'm gonna have to get rid of that. Hoover, tidy the toys up, and then we're done in here. So let's get started. I don't know where we got this box from. I think my mum brought it to me actually from Lidl's, but he keeps all of his dinosaurs in here, so I'm gonna put them all away. These are all going in here, into Dino. It's their own little dinosaur box. Yes, you can help me if you want, Renz. You gonna help me? Thank you. Good boy. Otherwise they'll be here all day and all night, won't they? 2 more. Brilliant, thank you. Look how much better that looks. I also need to fold these clothes because I just don't know why this happens. Clothes always just end up down here. Right, now I'm just going to sort the cushions out on the sofa because as you can see they're just thrown on there. Might put Renzi over there, sort that out in a second. Renzi, can you go sit over there for mummy a minute? Can you go sit over there for a minute? We'll take your iPad with you. You wanna sit there, yeah? Okay, baby dinosaur. Blippi. There you go. Okay, good boy. So basically all I do is I take all of the cushions off and then plump up the sofa itself and sort out the throws on the sofa and then just put the cushions back on nicely. I know the throw covers the whole sofa, but when you've got kids, you need to do these things to protect them. So I'm literally just gonna do this. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thanks for that, you little sausage. Okay, so the sofas are now done and all ready. They look much neater for the day. So I just need to hoover the floor now. This is the one I'm using. This is my Shark Hoover, and it's just a cordless one. This is the Shark Duo Clean Hoover. Last job of the day is to use my 1001 Carpet Fresh. It literally smells amazing and I use this on all of my carpets, but because my battery's low I'm just going to show you in this room today. So literally all you do is spray it after hoovering or after vacuuming even, and it just leaves a gorgeous scent on the carpet. Put it here. I also pop it here on the doormat, and when people come in they always compliment me on how gorgeous the house smells. This is such a great product to use, especially if you've got people coming around last minute, because it just makes the house smell amazing. So love that. Right, so I can tick off the final jobs now because they are all done, and that is my list done for the day. I find it so helpful when I write myself a list because then I just have to get those jobs done and then I'm done for the day or the morning or whatever, and that is one of the things that helps me keep my house tidy throughout the day. So jobs done for the morning. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and cleaning with me, I guess. This was a really nice way to film this video for you, so I hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll just do a little roundup and I'll show you what I've done in the kitchen. So all of the surfaces are now clean, the washing is on, surfaces are now tidy here. Got little Renzo here. Hello Poppet. Let's go in the living room, show everyone the living room. Well, looked tidy until that happens, but you know, that's children for you. So we've hoovered, tidied the toys, done the sofa, I've also cleaned the toilets upstairs, and that is it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and if you'd like to see more like this then give this video a big thumbs up. Bye guys.